these are some. So these are some LS truck injectors that I got and decapped. These I didn't show the pre-decapping test. They came out as 240 cc's, so they were 23-pound injectors. I decapped them, and I'm showing 2 that are 700 cc and 2 that are 620 cc. So I'm gonna finish off the 8 that I have, and then I'm gonna order some more and get some matched sets. So I think I went ahead and got E.Motiongarage.com, and I'm going to set up a web page, and I will actually start selling decapped injectors that are flow matched, and I'll send them out with. I'll do multiple tests and record all the results and put them together for the flow matching. And I'll probably, I'm gonna base the pricing. The pricing will range anywhere from probably, well, it's actually gonna depend on how many. So if someone wants only 6, or if someone wants 8, or someone wants even 4, I'll have different pricing, and it'll be based on what they actually flow match at. So like if I have 6 620 cc injectors, I'll probably charge $120 for the flow match set. And if I have 8 800 cc injectors, I'll probably charge $150 or $160 for the flow match set. So we'll see. I'll try some different things and go from there. But I'm gonna start now that I have a flow bench. There's no reason for me not to. Oh, I changed the way that I recoded the Arduino so that it does different bursts or different pulse widths. So it starts off with, I think it's 25 millisecond pulses, then it goes to 50 millisecond pulses, then it goes to 10 100 millisecond pulses, and what was the last one? 8 250 millisecond pulses. So that way it gives a little more varied range of pulse widths, and it's more accurate as to what the overall flow rate's going to be. What else? Okay, that'll be it for now. I'm going to include a couple of different things in this. I'm a little upset because this stupid shipping has gotten ridiculous. They guarantee things to get here on certain days, and they don't even ship. I'm still waiting. I should be able to start converting the VR6 over to turbo. I have my turbo manifold. I have my turbo. I have the oil drain feed. I have an intake manifold I can use until I get my until I finish the one that I'm working on for the 3D printing. I have basically everything I need to start converting it to turbo, and but I need the throttle body. I need the throttle body so I can get the throttle cable and start converting it over to a throttle, to a cable, drive-by cable instead of drive-by wire. And I can't because they haven't even shipped the damn throttle cable. I keep talking to the people and they say, well, FedEx already has it, but FedEx is not showing as having received it. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't like it though. I'll tell you that much. This is the second time, actually this is the third time I've had to deal with shipping due to the crap with COVID. And it's upsetting. I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead. In the meantime, I went ahead and decapped some injectors and did some flow testing. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to start working on, I'll start putting some packages together. I'll do some longer much more extensive flow benching to make sure that these are they're flow matched, and you know, I need to use them for my projects, but I'm gonna have a lot of other ones that'll end up being flow matched with each other because it takes a whole bunch of them to get the flow match set, and the ones that aren't flow matched with the original set will be flow matched with each other. So there's no reason for me to not go ahead and start selling flow matched sets of injectors. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll come up with some other things. I am still putting together the bottom end. Part of this video is going to include the assembly of the pistons on the rods for the FRS project, the 4/6 swap. That'll come after this, even though I did it before this, obviously. So yeah, because I already assembled the pistons and rods. I haven't gapped the rings yet. I'm gonna finish cleaning the block. I'm sodium bicarbonate blasting the block to clean it off. It's baking soda blasting the block. I don't know if I'll record that or not, the soda blasting, but I'll be doing that, and then I'll start to assemble the block. I've got plastic gauge, so I'm going to check the gaps on, or the clearances on the main bearings, and put in install well, I'll be doing the whole bottom end. So I got plastic gauges, so I'm going to be checking the clearances on the bearings, making sure everything's copacetic there. Yeah, that won't be included in this video, but that'll be coming up real soon, so look for it. And then you can start seeing the stuff I'm doing for the FRS. That's going to be a fun project.
Yay!
Stop. Okay, we're going to do an unboxing video today. I got some things that I've been waiting for finally.
Can I join in the unboxing video? Oh no, there's a knife. Please don't cut me.
Snippy, run.
Wrong! Hey, anyways, I'm going to do a funny introduction of me. It's a the frog, she is frog!
Okay, Kate, don't be silly.
Okay, fine.
Not while I'm cutting it with a knife.
Wait, Dad, there's a hole in the box.
Yeah, it's okay. The thing that's inside this is cast iron, so it's not going to hurt me.
I want to see what's inside. Show me.
Sure.
Wait, for a second I thought I saw a spider. Dab.
Where's this box over?
We are a box murderer. We murder boxes. Yes!
I'll just cut it. Alrighty, what do we have here? Oh, that's bent. It'll just bend that back. It'll flatten out. Oh, it's heavy.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Mom is worrying that I might get cut.
Well, tell her not to worry.
Okay.
Alright, here is the turbo manifold.
Wait, and also I just forgot something that you should tell the people watching your video.
What?
That I'm soon going to have my own YouTube channel. And you can see all my watching videos.
I'm sure that's what Okay, so I got my pistons and rods all assembled for the FRS project. I still need to gap the rings. I'll probably do that here in a bit. And then I have the VRT exhaust manifold there, so I can start finishing up the turbo on the Jetta. And then I'll finish cleaning off the block and start prepping that for adding the crank. And then I'll finish the short block of the 4.6 for the FRS swap here pretty soon. Sometime within the next week. Now, you guys may have seen this in the background. That is a intake manifold for the Jetta. Yes, I am still working on the 3D printed upper intake manifold to use on the stock manifold, but I don't want to have to wait for me to get that all dialed in and working and tested to set up the VRT. So I will set it up initially with this one, and then later on, after I get that all 3D printed and tested, make sure it's going to withstand it, then I'll swap it out, and we'll compare the results, see which one's better. Okay. I'm probably going to make some more videos and add on to this before I post it up, since I've been posting so many videos. All right. Yeah.